Hey, good morning, everybody. Here we are for our final school showcase of the year at Barre Town Elementary Middle School. We are at Mrs. Barnard's garden here with Veronica Eldred, who was in one of our showcases early in the year with her second grade class. Her group is now working in the garden with Deb Curtis. And many of you may recall that in last August, right at the beginning of the year, we started our showcases in all 5 of the schools in the community, one of the places we were here. So it's really good to be back. And Veronica, what are the kids working on? How has this been helpful to you guys this year?
Well, we came out a few weeks ago. We planted peas and we planted lettuce. So we like to come out periodically and check on the progress. I just like to get them out here as much as I can and get the curricular, content aligned so that they can enjoy working in a garden and understanding what it means to grow your own food and read a book. And sometimes we do writing here as well.
It's such a peaceful place. I remember pointing that out when we were here this summer, and we'll talk to a few kids and then we'll say farewell for the year. So let's check in with some of the second graders. Sound good?
Perfect.
All right. And telling us a little bit about how working in this garden is similar to what you do at your house. What are some of the things you grow at home?
We grow tomatoes, peas, and other kinds of stuff, carrots and stuff.
Do you guys actually eat the stuff you grow?
Mm-hmm.
That's really cool. What we're seeing is a lot of kids getting their hands dirty, digging right now, growing their own stuff out here. You like coming out here?
Yeah, we've been working on beans.
Growing beans? Did you get to pick any of them? Did you plant them yourself?
I planted them myself, and some of the other second graders got to plant some beans too.
It was just showing me some of this lemon balm. What do you do with this?
You can smell it or put it in your water, and it's edible too.
So you can just eat it. Can I try a piece?
Oh.
And if you put this, it's almost like tea. If you put it in your water, it'll flavor it.
You can make tea out of it.
Mm-hmm. It's incredible. It tastes like lemon. Here, what are some of the things you've worked on when you come out to the garden?
Well, we work on papers, and we write stuff that we like about the garden and how it looks and how it's sprouting and stuff.
Did you get to do some drawings too?
Yeah.
What is that you got?
Lemon balm.
What is it about the lemon balm that you like? Oh, you have some too? A lot of lemon balm.
I like the flavor of it.
Yeah, it's like lemon candy almost. It's good.
It's kind of like mint.
Before we say farewell for the year, I want to introduce Deb Curtis. We're out here in the garden, and Deb is our garden coordinator for Barre Town. And I just heard a great story about your daughter was in Miss Eldred's class back in the day. What's this like out for you?
I love it. I just love it. I started out, I'm a master gardener, which is a UVM program. And I think I started around 2009 or 10, and the garden was over there. And as a job for a master gardener, we had to be in a garden. So because my children went here, I used this as my master gardener job. And then, I don't know, just one day we needed a garden coordinator. So I volunteered, and I love it. I love working with kids. I love being in the garden. It's the best of both worlds.
Yeah, you can tell because every time I've been out here with the kids, they are having a wonderful time. They're relating to getting their hands dirty. Kids are just loving it. We got to see throughout the year. This is I think the 3rd time we've been here, folks, and we saw our Career Center kids come up here and restore the fencing around the garden. We started the year, and I remember that the plaque over by those guys there talks about how this garden brings the community together. And that's the whole point of it. We're seeing it right now. And I want to just take this moment with Deb here to just thank all of you for this incredible year we had. It has not been without its challenges, of course. But as we come into the month of June, it's clear our community stepped up for each other. And that's why this is such a perfect place to come full circle. We thank you all for everything all year, and we hope it's a wonderful summer and end of the school year for you. Thank you. Have a great rest of the week.